Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about a very important thing for us artists. So a lot of times we have these dried up brushes either due to hard, paints or some kind of glues or resin that we use. So these are some palette knives that are super dried up, and I have a lot of stencils that are stained. I'm sure a lot of us keep forgetting things and not clean up immediately. So I'm one of them. And today MrMuffin has sent me a beautiful product, a very useful and much needed product for artists. This is called Brush Reviver. I'm going to use this live and show you how it works. So the instructions says we have to dip the brushes in it for 15 minutes or so, and they would be as good as new. So let me try that. These are very dried brushes, so I'm going to dip that, and I'm also going to take a little here and try to clean my stamps and stencils. So I'm taking a little sponge and dipping the solution onto that and cleaning my stamps. These are clear stamps, so I've used archival inks, and a little bit of paint has also been there on it, so it is coming out beautifully live. So the sponge is absorbing all the color and everything is as good as new. So this is a mudra stencil that I've used some black chalk paint here, which I forgot to clean earlier. So this happens frequently with a lot of mixed media artists or people with huge orders. We tend to forget cleaning the products as soon as we are done with it. So I think this beautiful brush reviver is a boon to all our artists. These are available with MrMuffin Craft Studio. It's based out of Bangalore and they ship everywhere, so you can get in touch with them. I would link them in my description box. So I hope you like this quick review and saw the live demo on how I cleared this. So there's one more stencil which I used, a texture paste. It is a huge residue of white texture paste. Whatever is the thin layer is coming out immediately, but I think I need to add a lot of solution and leave it aside for some time for that thick build-up to come out. So I'm applying a generous amount of solution onto this, and I think it will need some time to come out. I'll leave that to a side. And now it's already been 5 minutes down, and my brush is already softened. You can see how it is little pliable now. It will need some more time. Like the instructions say, it is about 15 minutes that we need to leave it in this solution. So I've directly put all my brushes into the container. It's a wide mouth container, so you can dip your brushes right in, and once you are done, you just need to take off the excess and just screw the lid right in and keep it for the next use. I'll show you once it is 15 minutes down. So all my brushes are completely revived. All the paint, whatever modpodge or the glues, decoupage glue, whatever is left on my brushes have come out, and they are soft and supple now. So I think I'll be good to use them, at least for using the glues and other things now. So this jar is pretty useful, I think, and I would give it a thumbs up, and I would definitely recommend all the artists to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.